Good morning, friends. So today is the day. I'm up early. I've been up since like 5. I feel fresh. Going somewhere a bit different. We're going on holiday, and little clue. Instead of doing some like touring footage, we are off to Cornwall. Well, not technically Cornwall. It's actually Devon, the north part of Devon. So lots of beaches to take the dog. He's very excited. I've already done a recce on the charity shops, don't worry. Bit of a walkabout's coming. I've inquired about car boots. I'm all ready, I'm all packed, but everyone else is a bit like, you know that part in Home Alone when everyone's like running around? Let's go inside. Let's see who's around. Oh, hello. Are you excited?
The wet blancmange.
Come on, you're excited. He is excited.
Have you got a rucksack or anything, anybody?
Got
2 rucksacks.
One for the dog, one for me. See what I mean? We are packed to the brim. So what are you doing? We're not going for a walk, bud. We're on it. It is 10 to 10. Are we there yet?
I need a wee.
Yeah. So where are we going first then? Chemist then spa?
And then spa.
Right.
When you see people walking about during the day, don't matter how old they are, you know, young, old or whatever, and you think, I wonder what they do for a living. If they're out and about during the day.
The resellers.
Yeah, what?
In tradition of all travel vlogs, this is the entrance. That's Mother. This is one room. Hey, bud. Nice bathroom. It's got a very nice tall feel, alpine feel. Well, you're excited, aren't you? Yes.
Very.
This is my bedroom, mine and Buster's. Very nice, very nice. This is the master bedroom, also very nice. A nice ensuite for the parentals. Yeah, have you got a chew? Where's your chew? You got your chew? Go get it, look. We found a chew with literally his name on it. My mum bought him and it squeaks. Thanks, Mum. Kitchen, dining room, fart off. Nice. Look how nice and tall the ceilings are. And then look, this. There you go, boss. You can go out on there. It's alright. There it is. There's this lovely sea. So this is our home for the next, how many days? 7 days?
7 days. He's squeaking it.
Yes. Thanks. Let's have a look at the welcome package. Ooh, coffees, teas. What have I spotted? A Bop It Extreme Tip. We know these go well on eBay, just saying. Good morning.
Oh,
What?
visit a working honey farm. Eat,
Oh.
play, learn bees. Book online or on the door, open all year round.
I was looking at the visitor's guide. I've done her some tea and toast, so she's Lady Muck. Look at this gorgeous morning. We're so looked out by the weather, and like the birds are coming up on the patios and stuff. It's really nice.
Absolutely looked out.
The dog is here, being antsy, like give me some.
Not having my toast, sad that.
Got me coffee, obviously. But look at this weather, gorgeous. So how did you sleep?
I slept very well, thank you.
Good.
Very well indeed. I was out like a light as soon as my head touched the pillow.
It's the travelling that did it. We started
was so
travelling at like
tired.
10 o'clock.
So tired yesterday.
We're very lucky because we've booked like the end of June, beginning of July. So it's like a couple of weeks before the schools break up. So it's dead. It's not dead because you can hear the main road like just over there.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Unfortunately, that's the only thing, isn't it?
I was just thinking that.
All the good car boots are in Exeter apparently.
Maybe.
Yeah. And it takes like 3 hours on the train from Barnstable. I can get to Barnstable because there's a bus stop literally up the road. Or Dad could take me. But all the all the car boots start at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday. They don't start early in the Monday.
Wow.
Sorry, they don't start early in the morning.
Sunday. Mm.
They start at 1 o'clock on a Sunday.
What's all that about?
Like all of them. There's none that start early in the morning.
Well, it's very civilised, isn't it, really?
I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm never going to miss a boot today.
And I'll take you to one.
You say that because you're being recorded. The other day she was like, "You're an Aldi, you're not meant to work." So today, what we're doing, we're going into Ilfracombe for a little spell.
Yeah. I want to have a look around the harbour.
I want to have a look around the harbour, and I want to have a look around the charity shops. And then in the afternoon, after dinner, we're going to Walkabout beach, and we're just going to set up
and
sit and chill. I'm going to take the dog because it's dog friendly.
I went to that visitor's book. Somebody who went there said Walkabout is beautiful.
Walkabout is beautiful. Isn't that cute? It's cute, look at that. That is so cute, that little place. I like that. Smuggler's Steps and Hideaway. I love it. Smuggler's Steps and Hideaway. I love it. Okay, I'm in Ilfracombe, specifically the harbour front, because it is gorgeous today, and we think we might take a boat trip. But there's a couple of charity shops that I've been into, and yeah, it's been looking very good. And I'm going to go see a Damien Hirst statue called The Verity. There it is over there, look, there it is. Ta-da! A mother and father are somewhere there. We've got Bus who's just having an ice cream. Have you had an ice cream, Buster? Yeah, he's like, it smells. So yeah, we're going to have a nice stroll, I think. Chill out. But the beach there is actually dog friendly, so I don't know. Oh, who are these two?
The oldies.
Look at these two. Hey, do you know that statue, The Verity? It's done by Damien Hirst.
Is it?
Yes. So I'm going to go have a wander. There's the Cornish Sea. Oh, £20.
20 quid. No, I ain't got any change left because he used a load of it in there and he also used a load of it on the
He's laughing. Yeah, give us that 20. I've got a fiver. There's your spends.
Oh, is that as well?
That's your spends. There you are. There's a pub there if you want. Here they are. Here the old fogies, look. Okay. Cheek. Hey, Bus, who's that? This is all they want to do. Beach holiday.
Yeah.
So we're at Walkabout. Look how gorgeous it is. And it's like it's just before the school holiday, so it's not that bad. Oh, he chased after it. Well done. Where's your chew? Where's he gone? You get the last one. Has he? You're not bothered, are you? He doesn't like the frisbee. He likes the ball, but he doesn't like the frisbee. Oh, that was rubbish. Come on. Come on in. Yeah, good boy. He's not quite sure. Seen another dog. Buster. Buster would definitely run away from the waves, but he won't run into them. Like other dogs. Hi! Hi! Yes, well done!